Hello travellers and welcome to the Outer Rim. Today I'm going to show you how I've repainted this Rey Jakku Nerf blaster from how it used to be, all white and orange, into what it looks like now. So now we're going to add the black. The black is all now on, and it's all masked up, and we're ready for the first coat of silver. So now we're on to the stage of weathering the blaster. I've got a picture of Rey's original blaster here, and as you can see, the design of the Nerf blaster is a fair bit different. So I've blacked out these two parts to give a reasonable representation of the original, and this is where we're at now. These parts here I've already painted silver on the nuts, because these were black, so now I'm going to start putting in the black grooves here, and then we're going to do a technique known as dry brushing, where you take most of the paint off the brush just to give a light paint residue on the gun itself. So here we go. We want this to look like this has had some ingrained grime over the years of the blaster sitting in the Millennium Falcon. To make it look a bit like ingrained dirt, I just take a damp cloth, bit of tissue, and just rub over the paint a little bit before it's completely dry, and this will take off some of the excess and make it look uneven. So some of the dirt has taken and some of it hasn't, so you get a more varied look. So now, some of the dirt's taken here and some hasn't, so it doesn't look like it's been precisely painted in. So it's more of a natural look. So now we're going to move on and do some of these screws to make it look more like this, and I'm going to be doing some dry brushing around here. In fact, I'm going to use a different brush, a slightly larger brush. I'm going to take some paint and I'm going to take most of that paint off, and then starting in here, I'm using the same dry brushing technique. I've done all the screws, and I'm just moistening the tissue again, and then just rubbing the excess off so that the screw heads become silver and it leaves the dirt in the grooves. Okay, so we're now close to getting this finished, and we're going to do the muzzle at the end where it's blue, or bluing from the heat. So I'm going to try now to make this quite watery so it's semi-transparent. So I've got some blue paint here that's roughly the right colour, and I've watered my brush down. And then we expand it a little bit, it looks a little bit more purpley there, so I'm going to blend in some purple as well. I hope you liked the video, and there was going to be more to come because I'll be doing more repaints, and there's going to be some prop building to come as well in the future. So remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.